Here are 5 things you shouldn't do with Fabuloso. Don't put a bottle of Fabuloso inside your toilet tank. Although it's a tempting TikTok hack, it may cause your toilet to run constantly, or the chemicals could eat away at your toilet's valves and seals. Consider a toilet spray like Poopery or an automatic toilet refresher. Stop refilling your plug-in air fresheners with Fabuloso. This could be hazardous to your health. Fabuloso even says that their products shouldn't be heated up. Consider other scented options like reed diffusers. Don't simmer Fabuloso on the stove. Again, this could be hazardous to your health. Instead, bring a pot of water with cinnamon, cloves, quartered apples, and ginger to a boil and let it simmer. Don't wash dishes or do laundry with Fabuloso. Our experts say you could cause damage to your washing machine or dishwasher because Fabuloso isn't designed for either. And using it to hand wash dishes is also not safe. If you love Fabuloso's lavender scent, try to find a laundry detergent, dishwasher detergent, or dish soap that smells similar. Never mix Fabuloso with other cleaning products. Mixing any cleaning products together could create hazardous fumes. Fabuloso specifically warns against mixing their products with bleach. Instead, try Fabuloso's antibacterial multi-purpose cleaner, which cleans and sanitizes in 3 different scents, including the popular lavender scent.